Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Perry County in south central Illinois, western Wayne County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in south central Illinois, northern Williamson County, Illinois, northwestern Saline County, Illinois, northeastern... The National Weather thunderstorm warning for eastern Perry County in south central Illinois, western Wayne County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in south central Illinois, northern Williamson County, extending from near Irvington to near Tamarillo to 6 miles east of Ava, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazard Franklin County in south central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6 indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whittier, West Frankfort, Buckner, Johnsonville. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whittier, West Frankfort, 57 in Illinois between mile markers 57 and 105. Interstate 64. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hardin County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, Hope County, Illinois, southeastern Johnson County, Illinois, in Illinois, Franklin, Hamilton, Jackson, Perry, Saline, and Williamson. Capable of producing a tornado is located near New Columbia or near Metropolis, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
So that's the severe news.
Hardin County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, southeastern Johnson County, Illinois, southeastern Saline County, Illinois, southwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Columbia or near Metropolis, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dixon Springs around 6:45 p.m. Golconda around 6:50 p.m. Harrisburg around 7:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Carver's Ridge and Eddyville. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 22 and 37. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Now for the official windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, and Saline. Flood watch.